Just 4 or 5 hours before Unpacked, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra Sky Blue is already out of the box. With only a few hours left until the official Unpacked event, we now have what appears to be the first official unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in the stunning sky blue color. The video was shared by ex-user TechnoBuzz, also known as Rajesh Rajput, who posted a detailed look at the retail box and the device itself. The phone is shown clearly powered on, giving us a proper preview right before Samsung takes the stage. Talking about the sky blue color, it looks absolutely refreshing and premium. The shade feels soft yet vibrant, giving the phone a clean and modern aesthetic. Under lighting, the color subtly shifts, adding depth and elegance to the design. It's the kind of finish that stands out without being too flashy, making it a perfect balance between bold and classy. At this point, with multiple colors already unboxed ahead of launch, the excitement for the official reveal is at an all-time high. What are your thoughts on the Sky Blue Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me know in the comments section. First, we saw the Galaxy S26 Ultra unboxed in white. Then came the stunning Cobalt Violet. And now, it's time for the black color to step into the spotlight. Another complete unboxing video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra in black has surfaced online. This time, the video was posted by a Facebook page called Raj International. Raj International is a retail shop based in Dhaka, Bangladesh. In the video, they showcase a full retail unit being unboxed, giving us a clear look at the black variant, the packaging, and the device powered on. What makes this even more surprising is that the page's recent posts suggest the phone is already available for sale in Dhaka. In fact, they are actively promoting the device and even mentioning that limited stock is available. If this is accurate, it means the Galaxy S26 Ultra may already be circulating in select markets before the official launch event, which is absolutely wild. The black color of the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks absolutely timeless and powerful. It gives the phone a bold, executive-style presence that feels both premium and professional. The matte finish makes it look clean and stealthy while also helping to reduce fingerprints. Compared to flashier colors, the black variant carries a classy, confident vibe that never goes out of style. Here we have yet another unboxing video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but this time in the stunning Cobalt Violet color, shared by Tipster Phone Nerd. Interestingly, in his initial tweet, he mentioned it was the black variant. However, shortly after, he clarified that the device is actually the violet color, not black. The Cobalt Violet color of the Galaxy S26 Ultra truly stands out and gives the phone a bold, premium personality. It's not just a simple purple shade, it has a deep, rich tone that shifts beautifully under different lighting conditions. The finish looks elegant yet powerful, making the device feel even more flagship level in hand. Compared to the usual black or white options, Cobalt Violet feels fresh, unique, and instantly eye-catching. With so many leaks, hands-ons, and full unboxing videos already online, it honestly feels like there may be nothing left to surprise us at the official launch event. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.